All right, we're up to worked example 8. We're talking about fuel costs now. So we're into fuel costs and running costs. So this one is a motorbike. A motorbike travels 425 kilometres on a tank of 25 litres of fuel. What they want us to do is express this fuel consumption as a rate, litres per 100 kilometres. It's a rate the same as kilometres per hour, but this time we're talking about litres per kilometre, so volume per distance. So we have to express this as litres per kilometre, correct to one decimal place. What do you reckon you're going to do? Okay, we've got 425 kilometres and it used 25 litres of fuel. We want to express that as
425.
we want, but that's, if you express that as litres, if we went just straight with what the information we've got, we'd have 25 litres per 425 kilometres, which is great, but what does the answer we want look like? Have a look at what the answer is. What is it, sorry? We want how many litres per 100 kilometres. So what's our answer going to look like? It's going to look like that. Litres per 100 kilometres, correct? All right. Now, all I want you to do is think, how did you get from 425 to 100? How did you get from 425 to 100? Okay, imagine it was 200 kilometres. How would you get from 200 to 100? Divided by what? You divide it by 2, or half it. So how would I get from 425 to 100? Divided by what? 425? That'll give you 1. What are you going to divide by? What do you divide 425 by to get to 100? What did you divide 200 by to get to 100? Divided by 2. What do you divide 300 by to get to 100? What do you divide 400 by to get to 100? Okay? How many hundreds are there? There's 4.25 hundreds. Well, if you do it to one side, you've got to do it to the other side. What'd you get?
5.8, 4.9.
Round it to one decimal place. What is it? 5.8 something?
5.9
Round it? Because it asked us to do it to one decimal place. All good?
Yeah.
Just got to think about what you want your answer to look like. In the question it told us it wants to look like litres per 100 kilometres. Just think about how you get there. And that is all that there is in that one.